Amash says, delivering the sermon on the pulpit, Hajjaj bin Yusuf was saying, compile the Quran in the way Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam has compiled it. The chapter wherein the cow has been mentioned, the chapter in which the women have been mentioned, and the chapter in which Imran's progeny have been mentioned. Amash says that he then met Ibrahim and he notified him of Hajjaj's statement. He reproached Hajjaj and said that Abdul Rahman bin Yazid told him that he was along with Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu. He came to Jamra Aqaba and pelted 7 gravels at Jamra Aqaba from the bottom of the valley, keeping himself right in front of the Jamra, pronouncing Allahu Akbar at each gravel. Abdul Rahman says that he said, O Abdul Rahman, the people stoned it from above. Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, by him saves whom there is no worthy of worship, it is the place of him to whom the chapter cow has been revealed. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3119.